Hey everybody, so starting a new week. The weather is looking iffy at best. So hopefully we can be outside. Today is Monday Run Day. The students do a couple laps. I challenge them to get it done as fast as they can, and then they can go choose a station. Hopefully we'll be outside. It's been kind of, the weather along the Gulf is not good, so see you soon. So this Tuesday morning, being outside is sometimes a challenge. I'm actually switching up my games because it's just too windy under the pavilion for the game I want to play, a throwing catching game. And even the golf that we're doing might not work. The golf mats are blowing all over the place. So we're going to try and see. But I'm setting up a new game right now as I'm talking here. Just bringing some little tag back in, do a little trick or treat tag, which I was going to start next week. But with the hurricane coming to a nearby, like in the Gulf, not too far from us, just gotta switch some things around. So yeah, hopefully it'll go well. So it's too windy, so we did pillow polo under here. 3 balls going, 20 kids. Kick or hit. 6 below your belly button. Soccer ring game and trick or treat tag. Purple's doing good. Somebody want to destroy purple. Thank you. You're dying? No jackets. It's 90 degrees out. 85. Stop dying.
It's cold.
Okay.
I can't get up.
Kofia. You're Kofia. All right. The wind was angry that day. The sea is angry that day. Hello, everyone. Let's see a nice roll there, Emily. Good job. Getting a feel for it. We're going to round the clubs in a moment. That's all right. A little softer, a little softer. Good. There you go. Hey. Nice. Let's see a good swing here. Come on, Cody. Way to line up. I like it. Take a good swing. And nice. I got that. Bullseye. Good job.
Okay, Brayden. How fun is it to play sports with?
It's pretty fun. You gotta have a lot of strategies. Like, you can't stand in the back because then if the ball hits like the front and you can't run to it in time to pass it, you can get out. So like a strategy you want to do is like stay in like the middle of the box.
Okay, any more tips?
No.
What are you doing? Okay, bye. Say bye to Brayden.
Bye. Okay.
Here's our grant. We're writing this, we already wrote it, for new downloadable pedometers, and hopefully with all the good research in here and everything, and I'm gonna give Coach B lots of credit because we use some of the things we used from last time a couple years ago for pedometers, but this is even better. So these are the pedometers we're gonna be trying for. Can't really see them, but FitStep Pro pedometers, and hopefully we'll get approved. And they're about $1,400, or a little under $1,400, right there, $1,369. They're Bluetooth and they're awesome. So they're not even out yet. I'm excited. So I'm gonna send this in today and see how we do. The ring game, Lord of the Rings. Trap a ball in the hoop. There you go. Good job. Take the hoop. Okay, just gonna dribble back. Nice. Pass. I'm gonna give them a secret number or secret color or secret thing. In this case it'll be yellow. We'll be with 5 points. We'll do a little math here in a moment. Once all the hoops are done. So round 1 is yellow. Round 2 might be like broken hoops or little hoops or something. Go, go, go. Almost done, almost done. Oh, it's hoops. Ninja shark, sing Ninja Shark. Ninja shark, do 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 do. Hi. Hello. No, go. The first round, the secret thing is anything yellow is 5 points. Everything else is 1. Anything yellow is 5.
15 points.
Then wait, then add the other ones are 1s. Anything yellow. What? It's good.
13.
Okay. How many you get? How many you get?
Can I film the next one?
Oh, leave me alone. What do you got? Alright. The secret thing, object. I'm recording this. Anything this size, these is worth 5. Any color. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. A beautiful day for a neighborhood. Oy, water everywhere. It's gonna dry up soon. I want to be inside, or I don't want to be inside. I'll be outside today. Got some water to get out of here. There's my taggers. There's the treats. Tennis balls. Okay, if they get their goal is to bring the tennis balls back to their team hoop. If they get tagged, it is 5 jumping jacks. There's different ways to. I already had them do sideways and skipping and things like that. This is actually second round. No, tag on the legs. Tag on the legs.
We're playing crossover. Yay! Say hi. This is go! Go, come on, go! Oh. Yay! You gotta try to run. How you doing? Wow! Alana, you still got it. Bro, it's a game. I'm not talking though.
Amelie.
High five.
Oh, high five. Hello, high five.
It's my birthday. Hi. Hi, you two.
It's my
birthday. Go. Oh. Hey, Arnold. Hey, Arnold.
These guys.
Yeah. Arnold. Go, Coach Carney. Run. Go. Sprint. Oh.
Yeah. Faked him out.
Oh.
Are you frozen, Anthony?
What? Go, Coach Carney. Oh.
Stop filming me! Ninja Shark.
Say hi.
Hi. It's Ninja's birthday.
My
birthday's soon.
I'm out of breath.
I gotta run across. Let's go.
And Cody was. I was running and Cody Go! Go, Torrance.
Second round. We gotta win this one. Let's go.
Hey,
Let's go, girls.
Hey.
Birthday Ninja.
We're gonna make it better.
Let's go, Maylee. All right, so we're gonna win this one. 5-minute game crossover. Regular old crossover. We had variations next week. Some. Get her! Lone Shark, Lone Wolf, get her! Got her. Morgan for the people.com. How are you?
Good.
There's Maylee,
Hi.
Ninja Shark, Triple H. Do you have a nickname? We need a nickname for you.
I want a nickname. I have no idea.
You girls all made it across? Are you sure?
Yes.
All right, hold on. So sound system is not working. So our tech guy is awesome. Hook this up for now.
Sunshine in my pocket, got that good soul in my feet. Feel that hot blood in my body.
So we get our main speakers fixed, which are up there. Hi. What's going on?
Not again.
Why don't you take turns? Somebody play. Play. I need grab blue. If you're gonna play, grab blue. What? I'll teach you.
So we're gonna show you guys around where the stuff is here in Treeline. So pretty much, this is the playground. Right here is like you can see. Oh God, his hat. And there's a butterfly. I don't know if you guys can see it, but guys, don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up. And to I'm gonna follow that butterfly. Oh, it disappeared. But sorry guys, don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up, to subscribe to the channel, and to hit the bell to get notified every time we post a new video. And there's, as you can see, Coach Carney / Tom, and they're playing this way. Competitive hockey. Now, guys, we're on our way to head to the pavilion. Our trusty client, Katrina / Bob.
I'm not a client.
Yes, she is, or / student. And guys, don't
You are too.
Don't you think my nails are just beautiful today?
This is Coach Carney. Hi, my name is Jeremiah, and when I first came here in kindergarten, it was the best. So you guys should come to Treeline Elementary so that you can do all these fun activities.
And this is the little shed that we have in here.
Let's go back and show. Don't go in here.
And here's all our equipment.
I
And you know,
took a water bottle.
everybody's obsessed with the song
I'm a
Baby
equipment.
Shark, right?
Yes.
So Coach Carney was the smartest man in the world and got us
Guys,
a Baby Shark stuff.
can I help?
And this is Coach D. Ethan, say hi! Ethan! Three, two, one, go!
Hey everybody, I'm at the gym Saturday morning, 8:15-ish. My birthday's coming up a few days, and just gotta keep in shape. It's harder when you get older, so especially the PE teachers, physically just trying to keep at it and do this for the students, do this for my health, do this for my family. Keep in shape, keep moving, and you'll have the benefits. You'll be obviously a lot healthier and have more energy as you get older, and be able to push through some of these injuries and other things too. So keep going. I'm out of breath right now, obviously, so keep going. Have a great morning, great weekend, and talk to you soon.